Hi class, I'm going to show you how to do a simple graph. We're going to start by arranging your data, and this is probably the most important part of the chart. Spend the time putting the data in the right order and format, and you're going to save so much time at the end. So the first trick, and I have to say that I probably create 10 to 15 charts a week for non-school related purposes, and I still I wouldn't say I struggle, but every once in a while I make a mistake, and I tend to forget, which chart goes with what and which data goes with what, and what's the right format. But let's do a very simple one, like the one that you guys were supposed to do for the assignment, in the assignment for chapter 6, interest rates. So you're going to set up the data in the following way, okay? Your x-axis, your horizontal axis, is going to go across fields, all right? So let's say this is year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6, year 7. Okay, good. So those are your x values. Your y values are going to go down vertically like this, okay? So let's say that this is a treasury, a government bond, corporate bond, and a junk bond. Don't pay too much attention to the values, okay? All right. So these are the different categories. We're not going to spend much time making this pretty, but let me just highlight things a little bit. Like that, so you can see them. Like that, like that, like that. Okay. All right. So that's the data setup. Okay, one more change. It's going to center everything. Why did I skip? Oh, sorry about that. Oh, 4. All right, so the data. So let's do 0.5, 0.75, 0.5. This way doesn't make much sense, but 0.75, 1, 1.25, 1.5. Okay. 1, 1.2, 1.3. Again, don't pay attention to the data because it makes no sense whatsoever, okay? Five, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, and 1.2, 1.5. Okay, so that's your data. As you can see, again, your x-axis, your horizontal axis is up here. Your vertical axis, your y-axis, is over here. And this actually coincides with how a chart is supposed to look like, right? That's the easy way to remember that these guys go across just like in your chart. So now you're going to highlight the data. Okay? You're going to go to Insert, and I know this may look different than your Excel, okay? It is possible, but, well, it's more than possible, but don't worry too much about that. If you, in your version, it probably says Insert and then Chart or something like that. Okay, you click on the chart, and then you're going to have a menu, and in the menu, you're going to pick Scatter, okay? Scatter. Now, Scatter is always going to do is you're just going to plot the points that you have in that table. It's just going to plot them on the chart, but it gives us the option of connecting the dots like this, okay? And I like to pick the scatter with smooth lines because it makes it prettier. If you pick this one with straight lines, it makes it look kind of like, like like just cuts and goes up and comes down, like really harsh. The smooth one looks more like what a chart's supposed to look like. So you're gonna click on it, all right? You're gonna click right here, and as you can see, it's already done. That's the chart. There are lots of things that you can do to it. You can, make it prettier by clicking some of the options up here, all right? But that's it. Your chart has been created. It's all about the setup here and selecting the scatter plot with the connecting with the smooth lines or with the straight lines, if that's what you want to do. Okay. If for whatever reason you pick the wrong chart and you're like, oh my God, I have to start again. No, you don't have to. If you select the chart, you're gonna get a command at the top that says change chart type. So if you click on it, you can go back to your XY scatters right there and pick a different one. Okay, let me show you how it looks with straight lines. Yeah, you see, it doesn't look as good. You see this? No, not so good. All right, let me know if this helps or it doesn't help. Okay, thank you.